What's up, guys? I am very excited to share this video with you today. This is my very first month of hitting a six-figure income, and as you can see right here on my PayPal, this is not all the money I made, but this is just from PayPal alone, so I'm going to be going over that in here in a second. But I just wanted to show you guys in this video how I'm making a six-figure income at 20 years old, so that hopefully this video can inspire you and show you really what is possible, because I know when I first started my journey about 8 months ago, I had seen a couple other YouTubers. There's like one or two other smaller YouTubers that were showing how much they made each month, and I showed your journey. So I just wanted to pass that along to you guys and show my journey and how much I'm making throughout the months. And I want you guys to know that if you're struggling right now, or even if you haven't started yet, that I was there. And like even just 2 months ago, I only made a $1,500 month in November, which I'm going to talk about in this video as well. Like what's the difference between now and then. But I want you guys to know, no matter how much you're struggling, that you're just right around the corner at any second. So if you just keep going through, you're getting better every day, you're making your business better every day, you're going to eventually get there. And if you haven't started yet, and maybe you're new to online business, I want this video to like show you what the reality is on how much you can actually make online today, because it's so much more than you think. You see these crazy numbers, you see these people like myself making these crazy numbers online, but it is so much easier than you could ever imagine. Like, yes, it takes a lot of hard work, and yes, it does take time, but compared to like in the past in a normal business, like you would expect this kind of growth in three plus years, this kind of profit. Probably for most businesses, probably like 5 to 10 years where you see like $100,000 profit. Like that is absolutely insane. So that's why I'm very excited to do this video. So with that said, let's get right into it and take you guys through all my income sources and my taxes and my expenses, so you guys can just completely understand everything, so that whether you're new or you already have a business, you're going to get a lot of benefit out of this video. So I hope you guys stick to the end, because I think it's going to help you either, like no matter either one of those. So let's do it. All right, so first off, I mean, my main thing is social media marketing, but we'll just go with affiliate marketing first, because that's the first one I have listed here. These are my income sources from affiliate marketing, and basically from affiliate marketing I made $2,000 this month. One is from an Instagram growth software. That's my main source, and that's just a recurring one. It comes through every month. And then another one is Influencer Ignited, which is a personal branding course that I highly recommend. Like I've actually taken it myself, and it's been extremely helpful in growing my personal brand, and I've been implementing in some of the things that it's been teaching. So I love that course. And then ClickFunnels affiliate, not a huge amount, but still got like 2 people on it or something like that. And then for social media marketing, if you're not familiar with, like, oh yeah, if you guys are not familiar with affiliate marketing, basically it's just promoting another person's product or software through an affiliate link, and that's how they track whether the sale goes to you, and you basically get a commission for that. Social media marketing, pretty simple. I do marketing for businesses. I run Facebook ads for them to bring them new customers, and it's simple as that. Because I'm bringing them new customers, they're making more than they're paying me. So in that regard, it's pretty easy for them to justify like how much they're spending, because I'm making them like 4 times more every single month. So with that said, in total, social media marketing this month made me $6,337. And you can kind of consider these ones made as social media marketing as well, because I wouldn't have been able to get these ones without knowing social media marketing. So with that said, it's pretty safe to say that social media marketing has gotten me a 6-figure income. And why 6 figures? Well, in total revenue, I made over $9,000, just broke $9,000, and in profit about $8,600. So consistently $8,333 per month to reach a 6-figure income. If you divide that by 12, like times that by 12, of course, that's over $100,000. So pretty much I expect this to be going up. So even though I say 6-figure income, I can maybe like I could very potentially make this a $1 million year, and you guys will see, because I have some stuff coming out pretty soon that will be able to help me scale to the moon. I'm very confident in, which you guys will see. But just be patient. It's a secret, so I'll tell you guys in like a couple weeks. But other than that, there's just some small things like coaching. I don't really do too much coaching. I just do it if people need the help. YouTube, crypto. I didn't actually include this in the profit because I didn't take it out. I just put it back in Bitcoin. But this is one of the altcoins that I invested in. I invested $250. I made $260 back. I don't know. I don't have the cash out and the percent gain are not correct. I didn't change those from the last time, so just ignore that. These are all my recurring expenses, and you can just take a look at these quickly here. That's a total of $832, and that's not taken out of the profit. So I guess you could say, like, I'm just saying my revenue is over 6 figures, but I mean, this is such a small difference that it's not even a big deal. But then other than that, in total, my total takeaway is only about $3,700. The reason being is just because I don't care. I don't need all of my money. I don't need $7,000 just sitting in my bank account. The reason it's $3,700 is because I just reinvest all my stuff back into my business. So for example, I pay a video editor. I made a very nice video like you guys may have seen on my channel. The reason I did that is because I'm going to be running some ads in the future, and that cost me about $400 just for that video alone. That's the kind of things that I'm reinvesting. I also invested in like $3,000 into cryptocurrencies over the last 2 months. So when like that's the actual profit like I'm using for myself. Like I don't need actually, and most of that is still staying in my bank account. I probably only spend actually on myself and my personal expenses is probably only like my rent is like $300, so probably only like $700 total every single month I spend on myself personally, which is very little compared to how much I'm making. But that's how you grow a business, and that's how I'm going to be able to grow like much faster over the next couple months. So that's a very key thing you need to think about if you're doing your own business. It's not about how much you make per se, it's about how much you can reinvest back is one of the most important things, because if you know how to reinvest things smartly, you can grow your business even faster. And that's what I'm going to do. That's what I've been doing. That's what I'm going to keep doing. You guys will see the growth. And the one thing I also wanted to go over this video is that the fact that, and just to show you guys proof real quick, this is my Square. And as you can see down here, my gross sales is $3,500. And right here, you can see these are like the main platforms that it all went through. So as you can see there, both of these combined are already over $9,000. So there's the proof for you, so you guys don't think that I'm lying or anything like that. But basically, this is my QuickBooks, and this is where I use all my taxes and stuff, because I'll go over that here in a sec, because I think you guys might find that valuable. And just so you guys know, if you're new to this and if you're looking to get into social media marketing, just watch my other videos. Same thing with affiliate marketing. Just watch the other videos on this channel, and it'll basically show you how to do these and how I make a 6-figure income from these. I'm very confident that this will actually be double the next month, but we'll kind of have to see. It depends how soon I get this new thing out that I've been working on. But basically, I want to show you guys this as well. And not all of the income is in here yet because it just lags a little bit. As you can see, like I made the income. I already showed you guys the proof. But it lags a little bit. So like it takes a couple days for it all to go through. So this is actually over 9,000. And the expenses are very high, as you can tell. But $2,000 of this expenses, it's cryptocurrency investments. So that's something to keep in mind. But overall, that's pretty much everything. But as far as taxes, what I do is I just use this program called QuickBooks. And basically, it just hooks up to your bank accounts and it calculates your taxes and everything. And from there, I just hold back however much it like estimates. Now, of course, I need to hold back extra since I'm counting my crypto investments at my cryptocurrencies as expenses. But I just do that so it's easier for me to track. But so I need to realize the actual tax is going to be like probably double or triple this because my crypto investments, because when I take the crypto investments back out, I'm going to have to pay taxes on those. And when I take them back out, that's going to like go into the income bracket whenever I take them out, which I don't know when. But besides that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about like life or anything. And one thing I wanted to go over, like I said, is in November, I made $1,500. So why was that? Like, what was the difference? Really, honestly, to be honest with you guys, there really wasn't too much of a difference. The major difference out of anything between the months has been the fact that I have basically hired 2 people, more like a personal assistant that does kind of like a lot of that can just do just about anything for me. And then also a video editor, because that has allowed me to spend so much more time on the things that are actually generating me a direct income and increasing the income rather than the things that are just very time consuming. So that's one of the main things that has, I think, allowed me to grow a lot faster. And it was kind of difficult to afford those things when I wasn't making this much. But actually, that wasn't really the difference though. But that's going to be a difference in my going forward. But for as far as this month, I didn't really do anything too much different. I mean, I gained like 2 clients. And I have an interesting video that I need to make about one of these clients. But besides that, I mean, there hasn't been too much different. It's just the fact that You're gonna have bad months, and you just gotta grind through it, because I want you guys to know that, like, it wasn't just easy for me. It took a lot of work and it took a lot of determination, but it still didn't take that long. 8 months to reach a six-figure income. Think about, if I would have went to college, I would have never made this kind of income. It would have taken me, I would have probably been like 10 years later before I made this kind of income, which is just insane to me. So that's why I want to pass this video on to you guys. I really hope you take this video to heart and that it inspires you to take action and just keep going forward. And that's why I wanted to make this video, this income report of January 2018. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day. I'm out.